going down to the 4 hours time frame, what I want you to understand is this. I want you to look at the 4 hours time frame in a different lens, right? Bitcoin made this huge move to the upside, and Shiba Inu also made this huge move to the upside back then, around January 26th, right? January 26th. Sorry, yeah, January 26th. That was 2000 and January 1st, Thursday, January 1st. Yeah, Shiba Inu made this huge move to the upside from this level right up to the value area high. And I want you to see what happened before price made that huge move to the upside. You see, price was moving sideways, forming a range. And when you see price creating like ranging like this, moving sideways, it means they are building contract. But you don't know exactly when price is gonna take that next move to the upside. That's why you always bring in the volume profile at every range that you are gonna find yourself to analyze price. So bringing it here, right? We want to establish the key zones before breakout of structure. So looking at this current price action now for Shiba Inu, what I want you to look at is the behavior of price. You can see price was moving sideways, price break below, the value area low, and immediately price get back to the value area high, sorry, value area low. There was this huge movement. So this movement down here, actually instigated this whole move to the downside. That's why you need to get in early. Whenever you mark your range and you have your trading range and you start seeing price dropping down, then immediately you see price, reverse drastically to the upside and break, stay above the value, the POC. That's when you are looking at that huge buy opportunity, because if price is getting back to the value area low and go back to the above the value area, sorry, and go back above the POC, it means they want to attack the value area high or go and make the next high. Well, the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because of what I'm gonna show you now in the future. Okay, it's very important. I'm not showing that in the past just for fancy reasons. I'm doing this because I want to come to this current price action. So the same thing we did back then, we bring in the volume profile now. I want you to get the best entry based on market structure. So this is where we are currently, right? Price is breaking below the breaking or is staying above the POC. So if we see price reject the POC, right, it means that they wanna at one point maybe attempt price to like at one point attempt to go towards the value area high again. But if we look at what happened here in the past, this is the typical behavior of price. Price is gonna like attempt as if you wanna break above the value area high, then come back, retest the area where price left. In this case, price left here, went up there. So price is coming back to retest this level. So we can see price easily drop down a little bit before going back up. But what I want you to understand is this: even if you're not able to catch the move from the bottom, what you should understand is this: when you want to get in, you have to get in when price have break this level here, stay above it, then come back and retest it if say you fail to get in here. But usually, if say you are a long term holder, you are buying more where price is, because I showed you guys back then on the weekly time frame that this is the low. This box here is the zone that you start looking for that buy if say you are a swing trader, because we are sitting at a critical support zone. The same thing with Bitcoin. I've spent so much time already on Shiba Inu because I want you guys to understand the bigger picture here.